I have some happy mail here from Cheryl, and look at her awesome little Halloween card. Thank you guys so much for sending me little boo mail. I love Halloween. I'm so sad I was only able to participate in one swap this year, but here's to hoping that next year will be better and I'll be able to even host a swap and join some more. So look at her amazing little box here. Let's see what's all in here. Oh my gosh, I saw Craft Purge put like a little dome and make this into a shaker, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get that die. And just even looking at it flat now, I'm like, I definitely need to get this die. So I believe it was from KS Craft on AliExpress, so I definitely need to go and order that like immediately. I love it with the little spider web. That's so cute. I don't know where she got this from, but I definitely needed it in my life. It's like that monster mesh, but it's glittered. Oh, I think I can open this. So I don't know where this is from, but I definitely needed that. Look at how pretty that is. It's all glittery and beautiful. I don't know where that's from, but I needed it in my life because I love it. I love how you did just like a little bit of like eyelash trim in the background. That's really nice. I have tons of this stuff. I need to pull it out and find it. And we have some die cuts. Oh my gosh, I love this. Like a little like rubber pumpkin right here. I like that a lot. Then we have some happy haunting. I love the like little drippy lettering. A couple little spiders, some little like pumpkin stacks. Love that. Ooh, there's like little like x-rays in here. That is really cute. Oh my gosh, and there's like vintage. How pretty. You know, let me double check that she didn't have any social media. I don't remember. Yeah, she didn't write any in here. I don't remember her having any, but if I'm wrong, let me know so I can let everybody know and have your info down below in the description box. I think I had seen these before from Michael's. I don't know if they still have them this year. Oh, you can't see it. Sorry. Let me see. So there's like the skull here, like little hip bones. There was like a bug right here. I love that. This is going to be really, really great. I've been wanting to do a Halloween junk journal and I haven't done one. And like Halloween's in what, 4 days, you guys? Oh my gosh. Where did October go? I definitely didn't craft enough. I have no idea where this month has gone. I know I've been missing a little bit lately. Like, just, you know, taking care of everybody, that when I do have some me time, the only thing I'm going to do is watch Halloween movies with Sunny. Like, normally during my downtime, I'll come and I'll record for you guys, but all I want to do is just hang out with Sunny and watch Halloween movies. Like, this is our month, and we haven't even been a pumpkin patch. I feel so bad. I feel like such a bad mom that I haven't taken him, and like, this is always like our fun me time, but I'm always on the go so much other times that when I get to relax, I just want to kind of relax and watch movies and eat pizza. Like, who doesn't love pizza? Pizza coffee. These are so, so cute. They're like little checkered clay beads. I think I've seen these on Temu, and I'm pretty sure I bought some from there. I love how you did the safety pin little words. That is so cute. I'm totally going to steal that idea. I think that is so, so adorable. I love that. I don't think I've ever done safety pin words. Like, I've done the little words, but I always put it on head pins. So, ooh, I like that one's a little bit longer. So yeah, I'll definitely have to get out some little safety pins and make some little words. I think that's really, really cute. And then, oh my god, that's so cute. It says bones over here, and then she just has like an assortment of little skulls in here. That's so, so cute. I love that so much. I actually don't think I own any black and white skulls or orange. So thank you so much for those. These I think I have in color. Like these like crackled skulls. I think I got them in Michael's from a couple years ago. And there was like red and purples and pinks and other colors in there. So I don't have those either. Then we have, ooh, like little potion bottles. So we have Eek over here. These are really pretty. Those would be great on a chunky charm. Look at that. There's like little pearls in there and then like little tiny stars. That's so cute. I really like this. This is like perfect like little witch potion bottles. Can totally put like Remember I got those nail little decals? That'd be really great on here. And then stick it on a chunky charm. I think that's what I'm going to do with those. That's really cute. So we got Eek on that one. Then there's this one that is... Oh, what is this? Is this like a washi tape? I think it's like a clear kind of washi tape. Oh, that is really cool. I don't know where this is from. I don't think I've seen anything like that before. Oh, that is really, really cool. I like that. Oh, there's like a napkin. Oh, it's stuck in there. Okay, I'll get the napkin out last. There's like a little napkin in there. And we have... Ooh, that sounds fun. We have a little box here. Oh, bite. That's such a good word. So I did some words like a week ago, and I still keep saying that I'm going to make a video and share it with you guys. So I need to work on that. But bite, that's a good word. I didn't do that one. And I love this like silvery tool right here with all this like little glitter. I don't know. I kind of don't want to mess this up. I think I'm going to have to so I can get in there though. So I can slide that off. Then I can kind of put it back together. Ooh, I like this box. I like the little drippy candles and little skull right there. I love me some spiders and some skulls. Oh, this is cute. I need to learn how to make these. Look at that. It's a little fabric, little rosette. And then I love that you kind of like frayed the edges. Oh, I like that. I need to learn how to make this. I'm going to have to take a look at that and how to make those. Oh, look at the little batty bat. I love his little eyes. So cute. Oh my gosh, there's so much good stuff in here. Okay, I'm going to have to take off the little twine there so I can get in there. Oh, what are these? Happy Halloween. What are these? That's that was like what was on the clothespin over here. So she must have bought these like rubbery flatbacks and then just glued this on to the clothespin, because here's a Happy Halloween, and then here is that same little like jack-o'-lantern guy. Oh, these are cute. These are like resin cabochon flatbacks. Oh, look at that, the little like haunted house. I haven't seen that one before. Ooh, candy. I actually don't have any of these. I'm wondering if I can like with the pokey tool put a jump ring through here, or oh, those clear veils. I can make some charms out of these. Oh, look, this one has the little like head pin. What is this? Like screw in there. Has some little charms. Oh my gosh, look at that spider. Oh, I love him. I love spiders. Oh, look at this witch. I've never seen her before. She's really nice. Oh my gosh, I love all this. Oh my gosh, look at the little skull with her little like bandana. Oh, I love it. Look at this cute little scully girl down here too. She's got her little bow in her hair. Aw, these are awesome. I haven't seen a lot of these before. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I haven't even seen those before. Ooh, look at it. They're like little orange triangle sequins. I haven't seen those either. I am like missing out. Oh, that's so cool. Love that. Ooh, look at this potion bottle over here. Oh, these are tiny little seed beads. The little green seed beads. And then again, those like little like micro balls right there. And some like purple clay bits. This definitely makes me think of like a witch's cauldron potion. Love that. Ooh, look at this. I don't know where this like glitter mix is from with the orange and the black, but I love that. Oh, these are great. And look at those little like pumpkin faces. Oh, these are so cool. Oh, look at this. I don't know where people got these from. I have not seen them. Maybe they're on Ally. I don't shop on Ally very often, so maybe I need to be looking over there, because I didn't see these, but I've seen people use them where they put like a jump ring up here and then they'll like decorate the spider web. So I definitely need to get some of these wherever they're from. I'm gonna have to go check Ally. And then look at how cute these are. These are a Dollar Tree, and then you stick a jump ring. I did some, I think, like a few years ago. I think it was My first video on YouTube is actually, I think I altered some of these where I put like lace around the cuff right here so it looked like a little lady, and then I put like a ring on her finger. I love these. And then look at black little bells. I love jingle bells so much. These are really nice. I actually don't have any black ones like this. And then the little like spider rings. Love that. Oh, these are so cool. Thank you so much. You sent me so much stuff that I don't even have. Thank you. Uh-oh. Oh no, some of these fell out. So we got like purple glass. There's some more like little stars down there. So I'll go through the box and I'll make sure I get every last one out. And then there's some purple. I love like green and purple for Halloween. Oh, these are cool. I'm going to use these. I want to do like a Jack Skellington project. I'm totally going to save those for like a Jack. And then look at these like iridescent ones, little black ones. Oh my gosh, look, here are those tiny little stars that fell out of the box. These are so cool. Oh my gosh, they are little beads. How cute are those? I don't have those either. Oh my gosh, you spoiled me rotten with so much stuff that I don't even have. I cannot thank you enough. And there's still more in here, you guys. Here's another one of those little baggies. Oh, look, there's some brads. Oh my gosh, little Halloween brads. Oh, I've never seen these before. Look, there's a little bat, there's a ghost, there's a spider. Oh my gosh, I need to go to your house and go shop your stash. Like, oh my gosh, you have stuff I've never even seen before. I love it. Then look, some of these like little garment pins. I love these. I've been using these a lot. I'll throw on like a charm and a couple seed beads, and they just look so cute, especially if you're like tying up some ribbon. So cute to use these. Thank you so much. I love those. Then let's see. Oh, look, here are some more of those little like clippies that she put together. Look, there is that little haunted house. Oh, look at the little like spider. The little ghosty. Oh, here's like a little tiny wood ghost right there. And then here is the Happy Halloween. Oh my gosh, look, this pumpkin has wings. He's a bat. I've never seen that one either. Oh my gosh, I'm just so blown away by like how much stuff I've never even seen and I don't have, which is amazing. I feel like I have like so much of everything, and I love when you guys like surprise me with like different things that I've never even seen before. I want to get that napkin out because I'm definitely going to be saving that. We can definitely reuse that for another project. Look at how great that is with the little bats and the witch and the ghost and the little black cat. I love that. Okay, I want to make sure I got everything out of the box so I don't miss anything. But yeah, totally reusing that. Ooh, wicked. I don't have that one. And then look, it comes with a little like spider. Oh my gosh, I don't have this one. Look, there's mini tickets. This has to be like an inch. I do not have this one. Or this one either. Like, these tickets go like vertical. I don't have these either. How did I miss these? If I would have seen them, I totally would have bought these. Love that. Ooh, look at these potion bottles. Oh, wait, look. She took foam stars and then glued them together on a paper clip. How genius is that? I think I have a ton of 4th of July stars too that I could totally do that for. This would be really cute too to get like a red one for Christmas and then put like a little Santa or something on it. I'm gonna have to look through my 4th of July stuff and pull those out. That's a really good idea. But we have like little like labels. So there's like a ton of little labels right there. And then what do we have? Oh, look, she put it through the packaging. So she did a little boo here. Here's some more of those cards. These are from Hobby Lobby. These are really cute. They're in the party section. I think it was like 99 cents. I had shared them in a haul. So cool. Love these. These are, I'm pretty sure this is the one that's an ATC size card. There was one of them. That wasn't one that wasn't. But yes, I totally need to play with those. And then I think these are like layering pieces for them that she sent. Let me see. Let me open this up just to double check. But yeah, I think these are just like little cut papers are ready to use and go. Oh, they're envelopes. Oh, that is so cool. I've never seen colored little envelopes like these before. I have no idea where these are from. I totally need more of these. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I need them. Those are so cool. Oh, I need to look for some of those. I've never seen those. Glad I opened that. Oh, fall words. Cute. How fun is that? I don't have any fall words. Oh, that's awesome. I don't know what they say. Am I upside down? I don't know what they say. I'm going to have to cut them out and then I'll figure it out and I'll have to share in another video. But oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, you spoiled me rotten. Oh my gosh, it's so much stuff that I've never even seen before. Now I need to go hunt down and find. And these vintage cards, oh my gosh, I'm all about these. I love those so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.